friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking turkey legs in the Instant Pot. So for this easy recipe, we need turkey legs. I have a really big turkey leg, so I'm just going to cook one, but you can cook 2 turkey legs if they fit in the Instant Pot. The cooking time and the amount of water remains the same for 2. And we also need seasonings. I will use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. You can use any seasonings you like. So first I'll start by adding water to the Instant Pot. So let's open a little bit of the Instant Pot and add 1 cup of water. And now I'm going to season the turkey leg. Now use more seasonings than you normally do because in the Instant Pot a lot of seasoning ends up in the water. So just season it really well. And now I'll rub the seasoning to distribute it evenly. And flip the turkey leg over and season the other side. So now let's put the turkey leg in the Instant Pot. And let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 30 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. And now let's quick release the remaining steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped. So let's open the lid of the Instant Pot, and here is perfectly cooked turkey leg. It's perfectly cooked. The meat is falling off the bone. Let's take out the turkey leg out of the Instant Pot. Perfect. It's perfectly cooked and looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Now let me cut it just to show you. So it cuts so easily. The meat is tender and it's fully cooked. See how tender? Yummy. The meat is so juicy. It falls off the bone, super moist and tender. You love cooking turkey legs in an Instant Pot. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!